Okay, now this is another project, same yarn, same size needles. I've got metal needles, excuse me, metal needles on this project. It really comes down to preference, whether you prefer the bamboo or the metal. The size is the same. In our kits we generally use the bamboo needles. For a beginner they have a little bit more friction, so a little bit easier to use. These are quite slippery. So I'm just going to show you how to do garter stitch on your blanket. So obviously this one I've done a fair bit already, but the stitch is the same throughout. And all we're doing is, we do this from the beginning of the row to the end of the row. The right hand needle goes into the bottom of the first stitch on the left hand needle. We take our working yarn, wrap it round and over the right hand needle, and then slide that right hand needle back and up and off, and that creates a knit stitch, or in this case we're doing knit stitches on both sides of our blanket, so the sequence is called garter stitch. So again, the right hand needle goes into that first stitch on the left hand needle underneath, and they cross. Right hand working yarn goes up and over, slide it back and off the needle. Once more, right hand needle goes underneath, working yarn wraps around, slide the right hand needle back and up and slide the stitch off. And it's important not to do it too tight. You don't want it too loose either. It sounds crazy because when you're beginning, you're not sure about tension. As long as your needles can move up and down the needle like that, then the tension is fine. With a blanket like this, the tension is not super important. It just means that if your tension's too tight, your blanket will be a little bit smaller than if it was a looser tension. So we just carry on knitting, and we do this for every stitch up until the last 3 in this particular pattern, which we use a different technique for. So that will be in our next video. So the main stitch work is just knitting or garter stitch back and forth on your circular needles.